The human body is a complex network, and nowhere is this more evident than in the gut-brain connection. For preterm infants, this relationship is critical, as pioneering research has uncovered a potential target for early intervention to prevent neurological damage. At the core of this discovery is the gut-brain immune axis, a triad where gut bacteria, the immune system, and the brain engage in a delicate dance during the initial stages of life. A team of interdisciplinary researchers has identified a critical link. An overgrowth of Klebsiella bacteria in the gut is associated with increased immune cell activity, leading to neural injury in preterm infants. The role of this axis in the brain development of preterm infants is crucial, said microbiologist and immunologist David Seki. In preterm infants, the underdeveloped immune system and microbiome can lead to detrimental changes impacting the brain. David Berry, a microbiologist and head of the research group at the Center for Microbiology and Environmental System Science, adds, "We've identified specific microbiome and immune response patterns clearly linked to the progression and severity of brain injury." This groundbreaking study followed 60 preterm infants, born before 28 weeks of gestation and weighing less than 1 kilogram, over weeks or even months. By employing modern methods like 16S rRNA gene sequencing, the researchers analyzed blood and stool samples, brainwave recordings, and MRI brain images. Our data reveals that these patterns, particularly prevalent in a specific subgroup of neonates, allow us to track how the gut microbiome, immune system, and brain develop and interact, stated neonatologist Lucas Wisgrill from the Department of Neonatology at the Medical University of Vienna. The research, a joint university cluster project led by Angelica Berger and David Berry, marks the beginning of a broader investigation into the gut microbiome's significance for the neurological development of preterm infants. The initial study's children will continue to be monitored to understand the long-term development of their motor and cognitive skills. We're eager to see how the early development of the gut-brain immune axis and brain unfolds over time, says David Seki. The team's dedication, coupled with the family's willingness to participate, has opened a door to potentially transformative therapies that could mitigate or prevent brain injury in preterm infants, offering hope for their future neurological health. #preterm infans #gut-brain axis #neurodevelopment #microbiome research #early intervention